Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. If you're not new here, hey girl, how you been? Always happy to see you, always, okay? So y'all see the title, y'all know what today is. And I actually wasn't expecting to get this package today. But since I got it, y'all know I had to come on camera and unbox it with y'all because I know y'all would enjoy this experience with me. So I'm gonna show y'all the back of. I'm actually disappointed because it didn't come in a box. Usually all of my Coach outlet stuff comes in a box, but this did not. It came in this bag right here. So I mean, it's not one of those little mailers, but it's not a box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open that up here and hope that I don't need scissors because I don't know where mine are. Yeah, I think we're good. Whew. Yeah, that's enough. This stuff has I don't know if y'all see it on camera, but oh my gosh, this is what happened. Look at that. Wait. Do y'all see the inside white stuff? It just all came out. I don't like that. But, okay. So, get some of that stuff off me. Oh, I can see it through the back. Okay. This is, what was inside of there. Coach plastic paper, which we are going to open up right here and go ahead and pull this out. And also, if you follow me over on Instagram, I showed y'all a video of my cats. See, when they don't send in a box, I don't get a box for my cats to play with, so they don't get a present that day. But yeah, I definitely posted on my stories the other day what I mean by that. My cats was having a field day with the box that she was playing on. So y'all know Coach wrapping. So there's all of this stuff, which I am taking off. Okay, so this is what you can see so far. And now I'm going to take the rest of this off. Okay, I am finally back. That only took forever and a day for me. For y'all, it was 1 second. But y'all, I love it. Okay, so this is, where did I attach these to? Oh, this is the bag. So this is the Basquiat collection beat bag that they did. And I just attached the strap just to show y'all kind of how it works. I'm not the biggest fan of this strap, and I don't know if I will be really wearing it because I really like to carry my bag's top handle, but y'all take a look at this. So you have to unhook these and thread it through here, and that's how you attach this bag. So I'm not the biggest fan of the fact that they did it like that. But I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm probably not going to be wearing the strap anyway, which is why I'm actually removing it right now, just so it doesn't get in my way as I'm showing y'all the bag. But as I was saying, this is from the Basquiat collection that they did, which they came out with. It's not new, but it's new to the outlets. Okay, so they sent, I guess, whatever didn't sell to the outlets. Y'all know how Coach does with their Coach Reserve items. So they sent it to the outlet, and they actually released them earlier than they said they were going to. They had a time, they have that drop calendar on the Coach outlet website. So this collection actually got released before then, and I just happened to be online and I saw that it had gotten released early. But yeah, y'all know what these bags look like, but These are the drawings on the front. And what you don't see often, like that Empire, which I didn't know before I got it, it's like they use silver, like thread to go through there. So that's why Empire looks slightly glittery, if y'all can see that, which I didn't know before I got the bag, but I love. And then this is the back. And one reason why I really wanted to make this video is because like you don't really know like for the Basquiat collection how they do it. Like it looks like drawings, like if you just look at it like from right here, but in person, these two buildings right here are definitely sewn. So that is a white thread on those two outside. And then the two on the inside, those are more of the drawn that you would expect. I mean, they're slightly indented too though. But yeah, like I said, the Empire is threaded, and then the crown and everything is like drawn and embedded in there. So that's kind of what those are. I know you can't tell online because I thought it was all like kind of drawn, but it's not. And then for the back, this New York is thread as well and raised, and the rest of it is kind of indented and drawn into the bag. So yeah, just for your information, that's kind of how these work. And then on the side, it's like a suede type of material right here on the side. And of course you have the Coach hang tag, which says, oh, it says the collection name on here, by his estate. So yeah, that's how that looks. And then there is, as you saw, a back slip pocket here, and we'll get into what fits in there. But okay, so how you open it, it's just like a regular, like you don't have to unfasten this and all that extra stuff like it looks. You just open it like this, and under here, this is not sewn. Okay, and so the inside, you do have this compartment, you have the inside zipper compartment, the back compartment, and then this back slot right here. And the Coach story patch, of course, right there. So let's see, let me open up this middle compartment because I actually didn't before. Okay, so let's see what will fit in here. I am going to see if my phone, first of all, will fit in this back pocket, and it will not fit sideways. I would have to do it upright like that, just slip it in there. And it doesn't really, like, you can see it doesn't like bulge it out like really bad or anything. So I would feel comfortable putting my phone in there and just having my phone in that back slot. But I mean, of course, you know, you don't have to. So let's see if it'll fit on the inside of the bag. So yeah, definitely, well, I said definitely, and I lied. So you can force your phone. By force, I mean force. You can force your phone into the front. And this is what it looks like from the side if you force your phone, which I don't think y'all can really tell, but it's sticking out a little bit. So I wouldn't force my phone in there because, y'all, I'm struggling to get it out right now. Okay, I got it out. This bag doesn't fit your phone, don't do it. Okay, unless you have like, didn't they just come out like with an iPhone 12 mini or something? That would fit in here, but like the regular phones that we have, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is only teensy tiny bit bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So it's not gonna, maybe without the case, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't have to. I carry my phone in my hand anyway. So what I would carry in here, of course, y'all know, my trusty Louis Vuitton key pouch, Baby Yoda. I'm going to put that in here. And then I'm also going to, let's see, I have a key pouch here with all kinds of things. So I'm going to stuff that into the back. And then You could throw a mascara in here too. I don't have one handy. I have my little lip balm though, so I'm going to slot that in here. And I mean, that's about all it will fit, to be honest, y'all. But y'all know me and my love of mini bags. But so that's what it looks like on the inside. And you can see it's basically stuffed. You could fit, like, well, I don't know what else you would be fitting in there, but you could fit something else. For example, let me see if this will close. Yeah. So if you turn the key pouch right here, you see you can slot in something else right here, definitely. And it will close with the card, my card holders standing up in there like that. But yeah, I don't have anything else. I mean, this is all, it's a mini bag. Y'all know what, if you're gonna buy a mini bag, you have to downsize what you're carrying. So honestly, that is all that I would carry. And that's all I would need if I'm carrying a mini bag. But yeah, y'all, this bag is so, so cute. I mean, I know Basquiat isn't for everyone, but, oh, and pronunciation, I know I'm not saying it right. If y'all feel the need to correct me though in the comments, please do, if that makes your heart happy. So yeah, I am loving the chain. I know a lot of people have been saying that they wish that Coach would sell this chain separately. But yeah, it's definitely super, super cute. And I love this bag even more in person, y'all. So I'm gonna say if y'all love it online, you will love it more in person just because of the details and how they did everything. And I don't have any bag in my collection that's kind of this taupey color. I don't have bags this color. So I thought it would be, you know, kind of like a nice addition, like not to be boring, because obviously it has the drawings and everything on the front. But yeah, it's super, super cute and I love it. I can't link it down below. Yeah, so I will try to see. I don't think it's available anywhere, and that's hence why it was at the outlet. Some of the department stores might still have it, so I'll try, if I find one, I'll try to link one below for y'all. But I'm not sure. They definitely don't have any more left on the Coach outlet website. I do know that part. But if you're interested in other pieces in this collection, I will link those down below, whatever I find that's left on the Coach outlet website. But yeah, that Coach Reserve section, it be fire, y'all. Okay, fire. Retail bag under retail. Okay, y'all know how we feel about that over here. Okay, so gorgeous bag, absolutely love it. And also, it did come with the dust bag inside. So that's what that looks like. And in comparison to the bag, you know, the bag will definitely fit in here. And then it also came with some care instructions on the inside. But yeah, that wraps it up for me. Mod shots, I'll take some pictures and post them on Instagram. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram. Same name as here, HP Life and Style, if you want to see me actually wearing and styling this bag. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.